If you're going to be a standout performer and create a life of value and contribution of significance and leave a great legacy, you got to be able to push. Because if you can't push, you can't do it. It has to go right when it has to go right to take you to rarefied air of high achievement. But you also have to stay in the game over the long term. And many people blow themselves up prematurely because they push too hard too quick. And then that actually shortens their runway. So they actually can make less contributions to their life legacy than could have been had they managed their energy and managed their time and managed their health, et cetera. When I graduated with my master's degree, I helped athletes win a bunch of gold medals. That came naturally to me because I was an Olympian. Yet you cannot help people become an Olympian unless you've been one. You can't study Olympians and interview Olympians and become an Olympian. There has to be something that's innately inside your DNA that allows you to see the nuances, to tease out that extra 1 or 2% that really makes a difference. So I was doing that with athletes. Business people came to me, said, "Hey, Jeff, I want to become my own champion. You must know something about that. Can you help me?" So yeah, I helped them become their own champions. But the athletes came and said, "I need to extend my career. Injury management and injury prevention are the name of the game." And the business people came to me and say, "Look, I don't want to die from a stroke or a heart attack like my same age counterparts. Can you help me?" So I realized, look, I can go back to school. I can get a primary licensure to be able to help the business people with their wellness programs. I can work with the athletes, help them with their injury prevention and management programs. So what I was able to provide my clients with, number one, I knew how to win. I was an expert in winning because I was an Olympian. I also knew the academics of physical readiness to be able to do what has to go right, to do the action steps in this third dimension that we live in, to be able to get from where we are into the winner circle. But I also knew how to manage their health. So what people saw in me, oh, well, we can go to Jeff because he knows a little bit about everything, has a proficiency that can create our recipes specific to ourselves. He can do what 10 experts can do for us, but he can integrate all the parts specific to us. So that's how I was able to work with Lance, U2, Bono, Beyond Branson's Island, things like that, was because of my universality and my ability to read all of the terrains necessary and to know what was necessary to put together for the individual or for the team. So that's how I got into the rarefied air of the people that I've had the blessing and good fortune to work with.